You've seen the sample top 3. Now let's run MenuGauge AI on a real menu with just 3 items. First, clear the sample rows under the header in the MenuGauge menu tab, so you have a clean sheet to enter your own menu. In the menu sheet, paste your items and prices. Spicy chicken sandwich, $6.79. Hand-spun chocolate shake, $4.49. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, $9.79. Now switch to the ingredients sheet and paste the ingredient rows. Each line starts with the menu item name, so MenuGauge can link everything automatically. Spicy chicken sandwich, bun, 1 piece, 0.34. Spicy chicken sandwich, chicken fillet, 5.5 ounces, 0.45. Spicy chicken sandwich, breading, 1 portion, 0.25. Spicy chicken sandwich, slaw mix, 1 portion, 0.30. Spicy chicken sandwich, pickles, 0.4 ounces, 0.12. Spicy chicken sandwich, spicy mayo, 1 tablespoon, 0.18. Spicy chicken sandwich, wrapper, 1 piece, 0.12. Hand-spun chocolate shake, ice cream base, 10 ounce, 0.14. Hand-spun chocolate shake, whole milk, 6 ounces, 0.03. Hand-spun chocolate shake, chocolate syrup, 1.5 tablespoons, 0.12. Hand-spun chocolate shake, whipped cream, 1 portion, 0.20. Hand-spun chocolate shake, shake cup plus lid plus straw, 1 piece, 0.18. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, bun, 1 piece, 0.34. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, beef patty, 8 ounces, 0.32. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, cheese, 2 slices, 0.22. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, bacon, 3 slices, 0.27. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, lettuce, tomato, onion, 1 portion, 0.20. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, pickles, 0.4 ounces, 0.12. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, barbecue sauce, 1.2 tablespoons, 0.10. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, mayo, 0.6 tablespoons, 0.08. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, wrapper, 1 piece, 0.12. Now go back to the sidebar and click Update Analysis Report. MenuGauge AI updates your summary and flags your food cost as high, meaning your margins are at risk. Open the report. It ranks what to review first using your cost rate and the reference competitor price range. Spicy chicken sandwich, cost rate 54.7%, competitor price range $8 to $13. Hand-spun chocolate shake, cost rate 47.7%, competitor price range $2.50 to $5.50. Bacon barbecue double cheeseburger, cost rate 47.6%, competitor price range $8 to $16. Look at the number 1 item, spicy chicken sandwich. It's over 50% food cost, and it's priced under the competitor range. That's why it's ranked first. Now adjust just 1 price toward the competitor range. Change spicy chicken sandwich from $6.79 to $8.49, then click Update again. And right away, you can see the impact on food cost percent and gross profit. And that's the workflow. In one report, you can see cost rate, gross profit, and the competitor price range, so you know what could change first.